my God, Kuma, that favorite toy of yours is on sale. Ooh, but only for the next hour. Okay, this has got to wait. I'll be back. That's the perfect reason why you should start using SMS messaging to engage with your contacts. Come, I'll show you. In your HubSpot account, there are 3 things that you need to do. You need to register your business, opt your contacts in, and then the fun part, create those SMS messages. So the first thing we're gonna do is in our settings account, on the left-hand side, we're gonna click into SMS. Now here, we're gonna register our business, our SMS details, and then get our number. So I do wanna say that HubSpot is not the person who is approving these submissions, but once you do get approved, the next step is to opt your customers in. Now it's very important to note that you can only send SMS messages to contacts who have explicitly opted in to receive these messages from you. So once you've collected those names, and that can be from form submissions or emails, you're going to want to make sure that you let your CRM know that these are the folks who have opted in. So there are 2 ways to do that. In your contacts tab, go to a specific contact, and under the communication subscriptions, click view subscriptions. And once you're registered, you'll see SMS pop here. So you can subscribe, select a basis for communicating and an explanation, and click save. And now you'll be able to send an SMS message to this person via HubSpot. Now, if you have a whole slew of people who you want to send messages to, you can bulk enroll contacts. So just select the folks you want to bulk enroll, click more, and click edit communication subscriptions, and select SMS. All right, so we've registered our business. We've opted our contacts in. Now, the next step is to create those SMS messages. Under marketing, click SMS, and here you'll be able to create a message. Now, I want to create a message highlighting this flash sale that I am having tomorrow. And the flash sale is only gonna be available for an hour. And that's another reason I want it to be a text message versus an email, because it's time sensitive. So I'm gonna add in a personalization token. I obviously wanna use first name and perfect. And I always want to include default opt-out text, so my contacts don't feel like they don't have an option, and that they feel like they have a little agency in who's texting them. So this looks great. I want to make sure my personalization token works. Perfect. All right, looks like everything works. In settings, my name, the language I want it in, and I could put it with a campaign, but right now I only want it as a single text message, so that's okay. And now I can either send my message now or schedule it for later. I can set the exact time. All right, once I send my test message, I'm well on my way to sending it to all my contacts. Now, if this form of marketing is something you want to use to engage with even more of your contact base, use our SMS tool available in our HubSpot Marketing Pro and Enterprise accounts. Good luck!